What do you expect on the day of your install? In the morning of the install, the van will arrive and the crew will start to unpack the van. The lead installer will be up on your roof marking the points where we will be drilling the attachments into your roof. By this stage, the crew will have all the equipment they need for the job, either on your property or on the roof. They will then drill the attachments into the roof. These attachments are self-sealing, but we do have additional sealant that we apply to have a double effect to make sure there's no leaking into your property. Once the anchors are in place, we will attach the rails to the anchors. The rail system is what supports your solar system on your roof. Once the rails are in place, we'll place the optimizers to the rails and lay the panels over those. Once all the panels are done, the electrician will connect all the wires, which will be run through the conduit down the side of the house to your inverter. Now that the inverter is connected to the roof system, the electrician will then wire it down to your panel board. Once the panel board has been wired to the inverter, the electrician will work through the entire system to make sure it is properly grounded. The lead installer will then walk through the site to make sure all the tools and rubbish and debris are removed from your property. Once the system is completely installed, the lead installer will walk through the system to make sure the system is installed correctly and there is no rubbish or debris lying on your property. After that, they will meet up with the homeowner and walk through the app, make sure the app has been downloaded, the system is visible in the app, and the homeowner knows how to review their system in the app. The last step is they will take drone footage of the system to ensure we have good photographs for future reference.